Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken in Melon Playground. First, open the game and select a new, empty map. Then, access the item menu, which is usually found on the left side of your screen. From there, choose a medium-sized circular object. This will serve as the main body of your chicken, forming its primary structure. Next, let's add the head and limbs. Select a smaller circular shape and attach it to the top of the body for the head. For the legs, use two thin rectangular objects, and for the wings, two slightly wider rectangles. Remember to use pins or ropes to securely connect all these parts, ensuring they stay together during play. Now, it's time to bring your chicken to life with color and details. Access the color tool and choose appropriate shades like brown, white, or yellow for the feathers. You can also add small, distinct features such as eyes and a beak. For an extra touch, consider placing a tiny red comb on its head. Finally, let's refine your chicken and prepare it for action. Adjust its overall size and position on the map to your liking. Experiment with various poses and movements to give it character. Once you are satisfied with your creation, remember to save it so you can use it in other scenarios or even share your unique chicken with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.